Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a Boots gift of purchase offer to share with you, and it's even better than the offer they currently have on their website. On their website, if you have to spend £50 or more on selected skincare from brands like La Roche-Posay, Nux, Avène, Curel, Vichy and a load more, there's about 400 odd products in this offer. Then you'll receive the Skincare Saviours beauty box, which I'll open it up and show you what's inside in a little while. But I have a better offer for you. This video is kindly sponsored by Boots, and they've given me a code to share with you, which is Claire Skin. And instead of spending £50 or more to receive this box, then you just need to spend £30 or more. The value of the products in this box comes to £68. You'll find a link to all the skincare products in the offer down below in my description, as well as my code. And this offer is running until stocks last. So before I show you what's inside, I'll just show you the two products that I bought that came just over £30. You might have heard me mention this before. This is from Curel. This is a gorgeous Japanese brand, and it is a deep moisturizing spray, ultra fine moisturizing spray with ceramides for instant hydration, fortifies and restores skin, leaving it replenished and soft. This 150ml bottle usually retails for £19.50 on the Boots website, but it's currently on offer for £15.60, and you can stack it up. So whatever I purchase on top of this, I was able to get the box. It comes in different sizes, and it's such a good spray. I really suffer from dry legs. So I've got an underactive thyroid, and that is apparently one of the symptoms, even though I'm on medication. But regardless, I still have really dry legs. I use moisturizers, I use body oils, the lot. But this is so good. You're not going to be able to see anything on the camera. It's a very fine mist just going on my face. It feels like you're spritzing your skin with water, and then it dies down and it leaves the skin feeling super soft. So you can use it on your face, but I use it on my body. Curel is a really lovely brand that does body products and skincare products as well. I wanted to get another one, so this has come at the perfect time. Next item I chose is a gorgeous scented body cream. I've got the Nux Prodigios. This is a beautifying scented body lotion. It moisturizes, leaves a satin finish, illuminates with precious botanical oils. I've got the hair and body oils, and they smell amazing. I saw this and I just thought, oh, I love the smell so much, I'm gonna have to get it. It has notes of orange blossom, magnolia and vanilla. So this is like my nighttime routine, or what I've done with the other products in this range is when I've gone on holiday, they just smell amazing after you've had a shower at night and you apply it to your body, and it gives like an illumination as well. Yeah, it's beautiful. Oh. Yeah, I just love the smell. It is so nice, and it's so nice and soft. So yeah, so I've got two moisturising, hydrating products there, and they came to just over £30. So because of those, the Skincare Saviours box was automatically added to checkout. So let's show you what's inside then and what you get. It's worth £68 and there's 7 products in there. Starting off, you've got number 7. This is Derm Solutions for oily, blemish-prone skin. It's a lightweight hydrating lotion, proven to soothe and hydrate blemish-prone skin with 100-hour hydration. There's 50 mils here. This is a new product for me. I haven't seen this or tried it before. I have got combination skin, so I'm thinking this might be really suitable for my daughter. She's 18 and she does have oily skin and prone to blemishes. It calms and hydrates skin prone to blemishes that can be caused by hormonal changes. Yeah, I'm actually on medication, so this would have been good if I wasn't on medication. Use morning and evening. So that's what it looks like. So it's a calm and hydrating lightweight lotion, particularly good for oily and blemish prone skin. Then we've got Coats, again a new brand that I haven't tried before. This is a gentle hydrating toning milk. It contains mandelic acid, hyaluronic acid, ceramide, vitamin C and niacinamide for combination to dry skins, and there's 125 mils there. Milky Toner gently exfoliates to boost skin's radiance and help prevent future breakouts, whilst protecting skin from external aggressors and hydrating to protect skin's moisture without stripping. So you've got a toner. Oh, I love these. This is a facial spray. This is a really nice one. This is Avène. It's a thermal spring water for sensitive skins. Soothes, rebalance, reduces irritation. So there's 50 mils. So this is really lovely. I've used this a few times, and this size is perfect for me for like going on holiday. I'm all holidayed out at the minute, but no, I will be keeping that for a night away or whatever I go on next. Then we've got Vichy. This is Mineral 89 Fortifying and Plumping Daily Booster. It's a hyaluronic acid. It contains 89% volcanic water, rich in 15 minerals with hyaluronic acid, and there's 10 mils here. This is one of the first hyaluronic acids that I started using, and yeah, it's a really nice one. It's a fortifying and plumping daily booster there. We've got 10 mils. We've got La Roche-Posay, and this is Anthelios UV Moon 400 SPF 50+. It's an invisible fluid. It's very water and sweat resistant, anti-eye stinging, and non-perfume. Again, a really, really great brand. I love their SPFs. I've got a few different ones. I've got tinted ones as well. They are really good. So yeah, so a nice little travel size there to try it, to see if your skin likes it or if you already love it. Like handy to keep in your bag or take away. Next we've got micellar water. This is a makeup remover by Bioderma for sensitive skin, face and eyes, and there's 100 mils there. It cleanses, removes makeup and soothes sensitive skins. It's non-rinse and is fragrance free as well. It's unscented. It's got micellar water. And then the last item in the box is CeraVe, and this is a hydrating cleanser, and we've got 20 mils there. So close up of all the products in the Skin Saviours box. Currently on offer on the website if you spend £50 or more, but with my code ClearSkin, if you spend £30 or more, then you can save yourself £20 on purchasing skincare in order to be able to get this box with your purchase. I'd love to hear your thoughts, what you think of this offer, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.